Hi, and welcome back to a new school year. This year, I want to do something a little bit different in my speech and language sessions, but something that you've been doing in your regular classrooms for years. The idea of stations or centers. So how this is going to work is that our speech sessions will still be remaining the same amount of time, the 30 minutes, but at each center you'll be spending about 5 minutes at each session. And hope at the end we'll have a chance to recap, either play a game or go over something that was interesting or exciting in the task that you had completed. So I'm going to take you through each one of these centers. Our first center is our Race to 100. And this is where you get to work one-on-one with me, and you are going to practice saying your sound, whether in words or sentences, correctly 100 times. If we're working on some other language tasks, we might do something else for that 5-minute stretch. At the second station is the iPad. And just as what has always been a favorite is using the app Articulation Station, in which you get to choose whether you're working on initial, middle, or final, words, phrases, or sentence level. You can use that to take data as well as record and listen to yourself as a great way for some feedback. If for some reason we're doing some language, we might also do the app Splingo, or there might be some other language tasks that we might have that have some idioms incorporated in that. Our next station is kind of our figure out activity station. And this is where, whether you might be there with some word searches, some jumbles, some other types of activities that you're going to sort cards and try to find the beginning, middle, and end types of that you're listening for the sounds, as well as some other types of research that we can also incorporate in this session, depending on what unit you're studying in your classroom that you want to explore a little bit differently, and then that would result in you writing a couple sentences about that topic. Last is the exit ticket, and this is where you'll also spend a little bit of time, whether you're practicing with some tongue twisters or going on to some tier 2 vocabulary with some specific words and reading those sentences. There's also a stack of idiom cards that you can go through and go over and learn some of those different abstract words and language and find a way to use those in your conversation as well as make up a sentence using those. I'm looking forward to starting this new activity for us, and I can't wait to hear what you think about it. Thanks.